All right, Mr. Miles. He's developing a nice habit of physical activity, so good for Mr. Miles. On Wednesday, Mr. Miles walked and ran 9/10 of the trail. Okay, so they've done that math for us, I see. Then he walked 1/8 of the trail back and stopped to rest. What fraction of the course was Mr. Miles from the beginning of the trail when he stopped? Okay, hold on a second. This is here. So let's say this was the beginning of the trail. He walked and ran 9/10 of the trail. And like here's the end. But then he walked 1/8 back. And they're wanting to know this distance. Okay, so this is going to be subtraction. So we went someplace and then we went back. Okay, so this is going to be subtraction. And what am I subtracting? Remember, I have to have that larger fraction in front. So I have my 9/10 of the trail that he went, subtracted from that 1/8 of the way back. Okay, let's see. Learning from that problem I just did, can I simplify anything? No, I don't see simplification. Oh man, okay, it's probably going to be 40s, right? Well, I can think about my 10s, 10, 20, 30, 40, and I know my math facts, but let's just make sure that I'm correct here. So we have 9/10, and so we want to think of equivalent fractions. So we have 18/20, 27/30, 36/40. So I'm going to stop there because I know 8 is 40. And again, I don't see anything else happening here. 2/16, 3/24, 4/32, and 5/40. So from here, we have our 36/40 minus 5/40. I didn't do my estimate. Oh, bad, Mr. Light. Okay, too low would be 5/10, because I know this isn't close to half. Too low would be 5/10, 1/2. Too big would be, oh wait. Yeah, too big would be 9/10, because I'm taking it away. And then just right, I would say it's going to be, that's almost 1/10, 8/10, 7/10, something equivalent around 7/10 or so, maybe. I don't know. But that feels good. Sorry that I skipped that part. 5/40. Right? Yeah. So I'm subtracting those two things. And that is going to give me 31/40. So about 3/4, about 75% of the way. So 31/40 from, I could even write a sentence if I wanted to. Mr. Miles was 31/40 from the beginning of the trail. There you go, Mr. Miles. Keep it up. Maybe one day you'll make the whole trail. We're rooting for you, Mr. Miles.